Okay, so that's what we got so far. You can see I love you in there. We're gonna do the little male ladybug that sounds funny. The male ladybug goes inside. We're gonna take some black fondant and roll it into a ball, and then roll it a little bit more into an oval shape for the body. Okay, the body needs to be high enough so that when I place it inside here, that I can actually have the head pop out. Okay, so ball, and then if you roll it back that way a little bit, it makes more of an oval. And then what we need to do is make the shell. So ball, let's start with an oval also, and then we'll just kind of place this, and I'm just going to flatten it out with my thumbs. And I'm going to hollow it out here a little bit, and we can place this over the top. Okay, it has to be, you know, the right size that he'll fit inside, and then she's going to be, there's going to be one out here, so that's a good size for out here. You can see that. And his is going to have to be, yeah, that'll be fine. Okay, so what I want to do, you're not really going to see too much of the back of the shell, but you want to go ahead and make it look good just in case. So just take anything to draw the line down the center of the back. Okay, and then we just need little dots. So just roll little balls of black, pop it on there. A lot of times it's stiff by itself. If it needs a little water, then just place a little water under it. Okay, so you want it a little wider at the base than up here, a little bit narrower up here. And go ahead and place that right inside here. Try not to hit the writing. Great. Okay, now to place the head on there, I need to take a little piece of spaghetti and insert that, and then snip it off. Just leave a little bit hanging out. So the head's going to be black. Let's roll this into a ball, and then make it a little bit more of an oval by going back and forth like that. And then let's see what size this looks good. Do it this way so you can see. Okay, so that's right over the top. Now what I also want to do is just take a, since I know it's a good size, I can take some water and place it underneath and secure that. Okay, now for the eyes, I like to start with 2 balls of black. This one's too small. Okay, and then take the back of a paintbrush, kind of poke those in. Okay, then you can either use a ball of white fondant, or you can just use buttercream, or I'm sorry, royal icing. Okay, now this is where the licorice comes in. There we go. And then since I don't have black royal icing made, what I'm going to do is just make little tiny balls.